In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Booking.com affiliate. It's really quick and easy to set up, so make sure you stick around until the end and follow each step carefully to ensure everything works perfectly for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Booking.com account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to set one up. It's simple and straightforward, and you'll just need your basic information to get started, such as your email, a secure password, and a few personal details. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to the very bottom of the page. There, you will find a button labeled Become an Affiliate. Click on that button and you'll be redirected to the Booking.com affiliate program page. This is where the magic begins. On this page, look for the Register button. Clicking Register will initiate the sign-up process for your affiliate account. It will open a new tab, guiding you through the steps you need to follow to complete your registration. During this process, you'll have the option to choose your region or specify your agency type. Make sure to select the options that accurately reflect your current situation. This choice can help tailor the program benefits to suit you more effectively, providing you with the best opportunities to earn. Once you've made your selections, you'll proceed to complete the rest of the registration process. The steps are quite straightforward. Simply follow the instructions as they appear on the screen. This might include entering details about your website or the platforms you'll be using. It's essential to provide accurate information to ensure a smooth approval process. After filling in all the necessary information, go ahead and submit your application. Now you will need to wait for approval. Don't worry, this usually doesn't take long. Booking.com is quite efficient with these processes. And once your application is approved, congratulations, you are officially part of the Booking.com affiliate program. Welcome to the community of affiliates ready to make the most of this opportunity. And that's it. See how easy that was? In just a few simple steps, you now have access to a powerful tool that can help you monetize your website, blog, or social media platforms. By leveraging Booking.com's extensive range of products and services, you can earn commissions